So then I pulled mine out.
Mm-hmm.
And then he pulled his out.
Yeah?
And then we both turned around and cursed those Death Eaters with our wands.
Oh gosh, Harry, I sure do love your stories.
Thanks, Hermione. Me and Sirius really have had some pretty good times together.
Sirius and I.
God, Hermione, why do you always have to do that?
Do what, Harry?
You know, correcting my grammar all the time. It's something I can't put up with.
Oh, come on, Harry. You know you should never end a sentence with a preposition.
Oh my God, Hermione, shut up!
Ah!
Ew, that was not the spell I was intending to use. What to do? Oh, I know. I'll call Sirius. He'll help me clean this mess up. Accio Sirius Black. What the? How'd I get here? What is this mess? You're not serious. As a matter of fact, I am serious. No, I mean you're not Sirius Black. I am Nick Fury, leader of the Avengers, so yes, I am a Sirius Black. Oh, well, you're just not who I'm looking for. Oh, it's 'cause I'm black, isn't it? No, that's not it. I'm not racist. It's just complicated. I'm sorry, Ron. I was just trying to get her to shut up for once.